All right, so this is gonna be a quick video, and like I said, I wasn't gonna even do a video of this, but I might as well put everything that I do on camera, especially when it comes to business. And this is a business out of Florida. Actually, my step pops, he has a Tai Chi class that he has, and pretty much he want me to go ahead and design a few shirts. I'm gonna do 2 of them right now, and we have an order as well, I believe of 30 so in the future. So with that being said, I want y'all to see the actual logo. It's gonna go on the chest, right in the middle, of course, and we're gonna print this, see how it looked. Let me know. I already got the first shirt, but I'm gonna go ahead and print this one out. And yeah, we're gonna obviously put it in the middle, like I said. Oh, all right. So we got it flat. Now, I like to measure everything out to the middle. You do have a ruler. I have my laser here. I took it off because I rarely use it, to be honest with you, but it does work because it kind of lines up everything. But nevertheless, we're gonna go ahead and put this like so. Boom. And sometimes I use this, sometimes I don't, but this is a bigger shirt. So get the collar away. We're gonna put it down actually a little bit more, like so. The middle, going straight down. Some people again will bend or fold the middle just so they can have a middle line, which again you can actually see it that way. And again, you can just go down the middle, obviously down the middle, and you can see it goes straight down. But nevertheless, I want to put tape on here just in case. So I'm gonna do that. So now we can lift it up just so we can see it, see if it's in the middle or not. You don't have to put it too tight. It's a hot peel, so we can just automatically peel it. Let's see how it looks. All right, what y'all think about it? We're gonna press it again, of course. There we go. What y'all think about it? Let y'all get a little closer. So y'all can see it up close. Tell me what y'all think about it. And the snake. Of course, it's rasterized, so the black on the shirt is the black that you see on these, all the black parts, of course. So everything that's black, even all these little parts, is the shirt. So we try to utilize the shirt itself. What y'all think about it? As I said earlier, I was gonna just make this a short video showing the shirt, showing the process of making the shirt, obviously from the print to putting it on and pressing it on the t-shirt itself. And I'm trying to record every bit of the process so y'all can see everything step by step. So with that being said, that's why I recorded it, so y'all can see it. And yeah, join the page. Thank everybody for joining the page. Tell a friend to join the page, especially the YouTube as well. I'm gonna do a Merc City page on Facebook. I'm starting that up, and we about to start the Instagram as well. So especially because we got to start putting some ads out. With that being said, I appreciate everybody that's been hitting us up, because it's been like a word of mouth thing, and I've had the DTF probably for over almost a year now, and the embroidery machine for a few months now, and everything is picking up. So I appreciate everybody that's been joining and that's been hitting us up, especially for business. I mean, this is just the whole purpose of doing stuff like this and showing the process, like I said earlier. So with that being said, tell a friend, join the page, and I'll be back with more videos. We got a ton of, I got like at least 4 more orders right now, so I'm gonna try to record everything, and so y'all can see the process, especially when it comes to the embroidery. I want to start doing some more patches, and let me know if y'all need patches as well. You know, a few people I've done actually a few patches already, but the DTF thing is popping right now, especially in the summertime. Everybody wants t-shirts and scarves and stuff like that. So I'm gonna start doing a lot of those, and start doing embroidering towels and stuff like that. I want to start doing that as well. So join us so y'all can see the process. And I ain't gonna ramble anymore. It's your boy Greg, Merc City. Y'all already know. I'm out.